Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, the GT3 RS is behind me. I am actually about 5 minutes away from Silverstone. I'm going to be there in about, I think it's, 5 minutes like I said. But I've stopped here at Stowe. I don't know if anybody recognizes this, but this is next to Silverstone. Outside here with the GT3 RS. I'm going to get out of the way because nobody wants to see me. There is the car looking amazing with the backdrop here. Stowe, there's a circuit there, there's a house behind there, and they got a circuit, but nobody wants to see that. They want to see the car. It is looking mean. I've had an amazing drive up. Amazing drive up with the car. It was country roads. I didn't follow the convoy. I'm actually going to a Lamborghini event, so as you'll probably know by the title of this video, I'm going to a Lamborghini event at Silverstone, which is a Super Trofeo R Series. So thanks to HR and Lamborghini who have invited me, really appreciate it, and given me tickets. So I'm just here with a friend, and I've turned up in a Porsche obviously, because as you guys know, which you'll know from the video where I was at Ferrari, so if you click up there or there, I never know which side it is, but I think it's on that side. If you click up there, you'll see the video of me taking the Lamborghini to the Ferrari Passione event, or however you pronounce it. But oh, I can't get enough of this car. Just look at it in the sun. One of my favorite parts of the car is this. Look at the size of these wheels. They look amazing. So I still haven't decided yet about what color I am planning on wrapping the car, but having looked at it, I mean, do I really need to wrap it? Look at that color. Definitely want to write something cool on the wing here. You guys need to let me know in the comments. What am I going to write on the wing? But let's have a quick look inside. Check that out. Look at the interior. You guys have seen this before. Love this bit here. All painted lava orange. So remember, you got to tell me something that's going to match this as a wrap color. I've done now, I think, in a day since I've had the car, because I collected it yesterday. I think I've done maybe about 100 miles already, because this car, obviously it was used, as everybody knows, because this is the 991.1, so the Gen 1 GT3 RS, and I think this car in about 2 years had done 1,500 miles. So I'm here to rack that up, hopefully take it to like 3,000, 4,000 miles, maybe with a few trips, even maybe 5,000 over the summer. And just so you know, I've actually found out just yesterday, I'm going to be at Silverstone on Wednesday. So I don't know when you're seeing this video, but probably 3 or 4 days after this video, you're going to see me with this car. If you want to see a little sneak peek of that, then make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll put it on up here. There you are. Go and follow me. Go to Instagram. Follow me on that, because you'll see a sneak peek before this video, and before most videos, to be honest, about me taking this thing around the track at Silverstone. There are going to be a ton of my friends there with GT2 RSs, GT3 RSs, the Gen 2 ones. You're going to have probably some Performantes. I might try and take mine as well. Performantes, 488 Spiders, loads of Lamborghinis, and all this other stuff as well. So it's going to be really cool cars. There's some McLarens, everything. 720S as well, I think. So we might have a little bit of a race. Let me jump back in the car because I'm already late and it's nearly lunchtime. So I always arrive when it's lunchtime to Silverstone, and then that's it. See you in a bit. Okay, so we are here at Silverstone, and I'm looking at probably one of the craziest lineup of Lamborghinis I think I've ever seen. Just check this out. Yes, that's right. As far as you can see, it's Lamborghini, Lamborghini, Lamborghini. I'm not even going to try and go through this, but of course, Aventador S over here. We've got Huracan, Perf, another Perf looking nice and white. Standard Huracan. I think that's the rear-wheel drive, because you can tell by the lines at the front there. Beautiful. Love this Performante because of the color. It's like a Rosso beer, I think it is. That is amazing. I really wanted that on mine actually, but too expensive. SC Roadster looking nice. Beautiful there. Another Performante. And literally, as I say it, it continues as far as you can see. Just a line of Lamborghinis all the way down. This is ridiculous. I'm looking for the hospitality area because my priority is food right now, but look at the wings. Check out the wings. If I zoom in, look at that. It's just a line of Performante wings. Do you think they made too many Performantes? Nice Perf Spider as well. But by the looks of things, they might have made a few too many Performantes, because every single car right there is Performante. Okay, I'm gonna find some food and then I'll touch base it later and explain what's going on here. Okay, so inside now, I'm fully fed, and it was alright. Verdict on the food was okay. So inside now, behind me there is the pit walk. We're all lining up here, as you can see. Lamborghini London customers, Pangborn, and other dealers as well, about to head out onto the grid walk and see the cars properly, up close and personal. So that should be pretty interesting. And then I think later on you're gonna go for a ride in one of the cars. Now I did it last year, so I'm not sure if I will, but they take you out like the Aventador S and stuff with a professional driver out on the track, and you have a good time. But as I mentioned earlier, I will actually be here a couple of days later taking my 3RS and hopefully Performante as well out on track, so I might leave that for then. But I'll get as much as I can. Everybody's leaving, so let me join the grid walk and let's see what's going on. So, middle of the grid here, as I'm walking through. They're kind of telling us to get out of the way now, I think, a little bit. We have to move now. But look at all the cars behind. As you've probably seen in me showing the cars a little bit as well. But these guys are going off for, I don't even know what kind of a race. These cars up close, check them out. Look at this, everything, all carbon fiber bodies. Exhaust is mad as well. The wheels. Then a sneak peek inside the car. I'm gonna head up towards the stand and then watch it from there. Come on, Liam, buy one. Buy one, bro. Buy one. Okay, that's it for today. Just a little bit of a short video. In fact, I don't know how long this is. It's up to Blue Marley, who edits all the videos, how long this video is going to be. But I'm going to say bye to all these Lamborghinis. Everyone keeps complaining that they see my face too much, so I'm just going to show the cars probably as I try and do a sign off. But as you can see there, it's ridiculous. The amount of Lamborghinis, it just continues and continues and continues all the way down, as you can see. Paul, you need to follow this guy on Instagram. This is Paul. He takes amazing photos. I'll leave his Instagram in the description below. In fact, Blue's going to put it here in the middle of the screen. So go and follow him. He's going to put it right here. Amazing photos. And hopefully we're going to do some stuff with you guys with the Performante. Is it here?
No.
It's not here. Where's Performante?
Well, it's just 3 hours.
It's a Lamborghini, isn't it? Yeah, it's fine. I turned up in a GT3RS. So yeah, I was just signing off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, do all the other bits. Yeah, I'm back here on Wednesday, track driving. So make sure you're subscribed for the next video. See you guys. Bye.